the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My lady's short haul.
Welcome on my YouTube channel, on our YouTube channel, better to say. So, dear friends, let's go on with these, for me, incredible nice and very old Philips bookshelf speakers, Fullrange speakers, Philips AD 5054 from early 60s. So they were produced in the years 1963 up to 1966. So they are more than 60 years old, if I count it correctly. And for their age, they look incredible nice without any serious damages, as you could see at the beginning of this video. But at first, I would like to thank you everybody for watching our videos, for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos and if you would like to support our channel, you can also join our channel. So, dear friends, why go on? Because I have recorded a few days ago a video with the sound test of these speaker boxes immediately, or 2-3 days after they arrived here, and there is the complete sound test. And as I told in this video, I would like, as it is usual on my YouTube channel, deconstruct them, or to open one backplate. I think by this box, to open this backplate, and maybe also to dismount the full-range speaker Philips. I can read through these openings and through this textile and holes in the backplate, the type AD3800M, if I remember it correctly. Yes, AD3800M. And the speaker looks pretty nice from the back side, and maybe much more better also from the front side, because there is the whispering cone, and these Fullrange speakers should have the frequency range up to 18 kilohertz. Info from internet. And I must say, I love such a Fullrange speakers. I have I have built some do-it-yourself box with some German Fullrange speaker, and the sound is incredible good. Why I love it? Because there is no crossover necessary, no capacitors, no coil, and if the enclosure is good and proper for such a speaker, the sound can be very good. These speakers were originally used to the vacuum tube Philips amplifiers with the power 2-4 watts only, but it's enough for the living room and for a pretty nice sound. I hate the nowadays backside labels where you can read the numbers in watts, like Anno Domini 240, 500 watts, and so it's totally nonsense. By the white van speakers, home, new modern audio from Far East. I don't mean the professional speaker boxes, because it's any other story by the professional. So let's open this one. And I have to say, if you would like to hear and to watch the sound test, my previous video, I put here active link if I don't forget. So let's try to open it. The screws are very small. I usually use such a battery screwdriver, but in this case I don't have the proper bite with such a small for such a small screws. So let's try this one, and also here fits. but it's also too big. Maybe I will have to take something not to lose the screws, maybe this piece of polystyrene, and I put it here, because usually when I put screws, nuts or something very small on the table, then I move with the cable, with some cables, and so it falls on the floor and I cannot find it. So maybe better to use this small one.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I.
So the last one, and let's open it. Yes, pretty nice. It looks, this speaker looks like the German Isophon with such a magnetic system. Watch it. Incredible nice. I take the camera and make a detailed footage.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
So, dear friends, how do you like the speaker? I must say, I love such a speakers. I've connected a cable only for this to this box. Hear the sound. Unfortunately, I don't have here any weak vacuum tube amplifier, stereo amplifier 2 watts as it was originally used. Now it's connected to professional QSC 400 and 200 watts per channel from the old production from United States amplifier, professional. I use it for testing. Let's open, or let's dismount the speaker and watch it from the front side. In this case, I will use such a battery screwdriver.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
So no problem to put it out. I usually have problems with Tesla speakers because the nuts are sealed with paint, and it's impossible to dismount it without the paint thinner. I have here always, and it makes sometimes problems by Tesla. I will have to put this piece of textile out.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up.
Do you hear the bass but from such a small speaker? About 63 years old. I love it. So, dear friends, how do you like these speaker boxes? Will you use them in your living room? Because with their power about 6 watts only? I sure yes. So how do you like them? Write me please in comments. Don't forget to watch my previous video, and thank you everybody for watching our videos, for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos and if you would like to support our channel, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.